Welcome to Appystore, India's top learning app for kids up to 8 years. Your child will learn while having fun through videos, songs, and learning games. Physical worksheets help your child practice the concepts learned. Offline and online techniques ensure development across numerical, logical, language, scientific, social, as well as creative thinking skills. Appystore has 1,000+ learning games for kids. There are simple visual cues to teach concepts. You can also track the progress of your child across all the learning areas. All you have to do is let your child spend 30 minutes with Appystore daily and practice with the physical worksheets weekly to see the difference for yourself. Getting started is easy. Download the app from Google Play Store, put in your child's details, and select a plan with easy payment options available.